Hello everyone, welcome to the How Build Tutorial channel, where we post mainly how to or tutorial videos just like this one. And in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can get 1 month free subscription on boomplay without you paying any money at all. But for some people who don't know what boomplay is a music app just like the Spotify, the YouTube Music, the Apple Music or Audiomack, where you can download music, watch music video, and also play music on your phone. And just like any other music app, boomplay also has some features which you got to pay money for to get those features. For example, to stream unlimitedly, to download unlimited music, and to play music offline. But in this video I'm going to tell you and show you how you can get those features for free in just one month. So guys, it's just limited, so you better get or take use of it. So you want to make sure, first step to do, make sure you have the boomplay app. Make sure you got this app installed, the boomplay. Tap the app. Second thing you want to do is make sure you go here. As you can see guys, it shows this VIP. Once you have that VIP, which means you can download, watch any music video, stream and do other things on the boomplay app. As you can see, I can download this right now. I can download all the album. I can download any music video I want or any video I want, because I already have that VIP. Once you sign up or log in, they give you the 1 month pass for you to do all this and to get all these features. So guys, if you want to sign up, I have the link down below in the description. You can sign up for boomplay, but you have an account already, just log in back into your account. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel. If you think this video helped you in any way, drop a like on the video, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, peace out.